Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Microsoft PC Manager. So let's get started. For this, you need to click on the Windows key. Over here, you need to type Store. You'll get Microsoft Store. Click on Open. In the search bar, you need to type Microsoft PC Manager. You'll get this icon, Microsoft PC Manager. Click on it. You need to click on Install. You'll get a pop-up. You need to select Yes. Install the PC Manager. I'll click on Open. And this has launched the PC Manager. Okay, I'll close the web browser. Okay, on the screen you can see it is a native PC Manager provided by Microsoft. Over here you can see your PC health. Okay, it provides you with the boost feature. You can see the memory consumption and the temporary files. Okay, if you want, you can click on the boost. See, it has cleared all the temporary files and also reduced the memory usage. You can check PC health, then the processes running in the background. You can also see the option for deep clean. If you want to check the drives usage and you to clean those drives, you can make use of deep clean. Then startup. Okay, you can also track the startup time. Then there is an option in second tab, that is protection. In this you can see the virus and threat protection status. You can also check the Windows update status over here. If you want to change your current default browser, you can change it. For me, I have set it to Google Chrome. If you want, you can change it to Microsoft Edge or any other web browser. You can see, you can also check the status of your latest Windows update. If any update is available, you can click on it and you can check it. Now the next is the taskbar repair. If you have made any modifications to taskbar and if you want to restore it, you can make use of this taskbar repair option. And restore default apps. If you have made any changes to default app settings, you can restore it using this option. Then pop-up management. If you want to, you can enable or block pop-up management. Okay, then in storage, they have provided a lot of options. You can identify the duplicate files on the drive. You can also access the storage sense from here, which automatically cleans up the temporary file based on the duration which you have set. In deep clean, if you want to perform a full cleanup, you can click on the scan. Whoa, it has found a lot of files for cleanup. A total of 4.7 GB items found for cleanup. Okay, over here you can see it has located all the different folders and locations where cleanup can be performed. Now for recycle bin, it is showing a lot. I'll check this and click on proceed. See, within seconds it has done the cleanup activity. It has released 3.8 GB space. That's cool. Now click on apps. So in storage management, you get a lot of functionality to maintain and manage storage. Now if I click on apps, in this menu you get process management. You can see 18 tasks running in background. You can see the startup app time and its impact. If you click on it, you can just enable or disable the startup apps. I'll go back. Okay, over here you can uninstall app. You can also access Microsoft Store from there. In the last menu, that is Toolbox. In Toolbox you get a lot of options. It provides you with the first one as a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, you can use it, this menu. Then screenshot folder if you want to record your voice. Then captions, notepad, calculator, currency converter, image search, weather, then age, quick links, translator. Okay, you can add a custom link over here. You can click on edit. You can give a URL. Okay, Over here you can see show toolbar on the desktop. So if you click on enable, it is going to enable the widget. You can see the boost icon. If I click it, it is going to boost. Cool animation. You can also do screenshot, notepad, then quick access to a specific link. I'll just disable this one. Okay, so that's all features you get in this PC manager. I'll close this. So that's all for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.